Hey friends, it's Iwilda here. Thank you so much for joining me. So today I wanted to share with you guys a very quick haul of what I got from our groceries. This is going to be about a month's worth of groceries for us, a family of 5. I'm going to try my best to kind of list prices or at least tell you what was on sale and what wasn't for this week. So we're going to start from the left and kind of work our way to the right and just kind of quickly go over things so that way our ice creams and whatnot doesn't melt. So starting from my left over here, we got some boneless chicken tenders. We got 4, I believe 2 of the chicken tenders and then 2 of the chicken breasts, right?
Right, that's right.
Thank you. We actually got these buy one get one, so even though the price tag says $16.14, we got one, and then the second one was free. The same thing for the chicken breasts down here. They were $16 and we got one for free. We also got these, which were buy one get 2 free, so we spent $16.55 for the one, and then we got the other 2 for free. So we decided to get this, and we're going to be having some grilled steak out over the next few weeks when it gets warmer weather. Down here we also got some pork chops. They were just on sale for $12.73 each, and we got 2. Mind you, I don't know if I already mentioned this, but most of this is going to be about a month's worth of food. So some of the items here, it's going to be each one's an individual meal, and we have planned it out that everything here that you see, for the most part, besides the drinks, are all going to be out used up throughout the entire month. So it's not like we're doing this as a weekly grocery. This is actually a month's worth. We did up here get this for free. We did that Monopoly thing over at Acme. This is where we got everything from, and we had a coupon for this for free. So my husband Harvey likes making French toast, and he's going to make some French toast using this artisan bread here that's actually French bread.
We'll make that a video later.
We'll get that on video later. This one here is just some rolls that we like to have our sandwiches in. It was not on sale. I paid regular price for it. It was $3.99 for the bag, and you get 8 rolls. Over here, these were on sale. I don't have the prices memorized, but I believe they were about 50 cents off each one. It was either 50 cents off or buy one get one for that. I forget.
I think it's 50 cents off.
I believe it was 50 cents off, and I'm going to be using it for some crock pot meals and some spaghetti. So this here is about 4 meals that I'm going to be using it towards. Back here, I did not get this on sale. I have been on the hunt for Dawn Power Wash for the longest time. And so when I saw it at Acme, oh, I'm sorry, my husband tells me it actually was on sale.
Yeah, we got the coupon for it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot. Yeah, we had a coupon for this again. See, I forgot. All right, so it wasn't on sale, but I did get a coupon for this. I do apologize for that. I think it was probably like 50 cents off.
50 cents.
So that's actually a good deal. I'm very happy. Anything that has a discount or a coupon attached to it, it makes me happier because I like saving money when I can. So here we have some juices. Up front here we have some apple juice. This we actually got, I believe it was buy one get one for free. Was it?
I think it's because of how much they are. Instead of them being $4, you got them 2 for $3.
2 for $3. Okay, and then here they were also on sale, 50 cents off each one. And back here it's just regular milk. We did not get this on sale. There was, I believe it was regular price.
That's
correct?
regular price, yeah.
Yeah, and then we got Harvey's almond milk, non-dairy, because he needs that. Up here, let me just put this back here. Up here, we got some sweet Italian, what is this?
Sweet Italian sausage.
Sausage,
pork, because you can make it into sausage and stuff like that, but we have a pasta dish that we make with that.
Yes, that's exactly right. And then we also got this here, which is just ground beef. This is actually about 2 meals worth. Sometimes I can stretch it into 3 meals worth, but for the most part, this is 2 meals worth.
And the savings on that is $5.
Yeah, we saved $5 on this, and it was $13.63, and you get 2 meals. Now, back here, we actually had a coupon to try this water bottle for free. This is Core Hydration. We've never had it before. This one is 30.4 ounces. This is going to be our first time trying it, but it was free, so we decided to try it out.
Normally like $2 or $3.
Yeah. This one here is just orange juice. I believe it was 50 cents off on sale. We also have some bananas. With the bananas, we, well, underneath the bananas, I should say, we got farfalle pasta looks like bow tie pasta. That's what we call it, bow tie pasta.
And that's what we use with the sausage.
Yes, that's exactly what we use for the sausage, with the sausage. Here we have, I don't even know how many pounds, 3 pounds of the little potatoes that we're going to be roasting and using them through our meals. And this is about 2 meals worth.
And with that variety pack being $5, they're normally like $7 just for that pack.
Exactly. So continuing back here, I gotta reach. This is just a Signature Select name. Their store brands stain remover. I want to give it a try because sometimes we spill stuff, especially with our dog Harper. She tends to get her clothes super dirty, so we need to spot clean it really quickly. I did get this Dawn dish soap. It was on sale for $2.99. I also had a coupon for 50 cents off, so it winds up being $2.50 instead of the regular price being $4. And the Spam here, we get this. We use them for breakfast, for lunch. We make like Spam sandwiches. We put them in rice. And we bought 5 cans. I believe they were on sale as well.
They were on sale, yeah.
I don't remember how much was the discount. I think like 50 cents off or something like that.
I think so.
Yeah, so we got 5 of those just because they're going to be used out through various types of meals we do throughout the week.
And they disappear off the shelves very quickly.
Yeah, they go very, very quickly. The same thing with the corned beef. We got these. I don't think they were on sale. They were a regular price, but we bought the store brands. We usually buy the Libby brands, but we decided to try out the store brand, see if it's any different.
And going between all the brands, the top brand was $6 and that was $3.50.
Exactly. Back here is just some Febreze spray. We ran out and I needed some. Here we also got this Tide antibacterial spray to kill germs and whatnot, so I wanted to give this a try. And we did use a coupon for this.
That took $2 off.
And it took $2 off the price. Oops, I'll put this back here.
The potatoes are making their way.
So these are just 5 pounds regular potatoes. Of course, I think they were, no, they were not on sale. Not this time around.
They were not on sale. But again, depending on the potatoes, you had anywhere from $5.49 for that same bag, and that bag was $3.99.
Exactly. Now this was on sale. It was 2 for $6. Normally it's about, I think it's like
$3.50 or $3.75 each.
Yeah. So we got this for 2 for $6, and it's for mostly the kids to drink. I do partake of it once in a while, but it's usually the kids that drink it. And then we have a can of these beef raviolis. This is for lunch. We also got some soup here.
They were on sale.
Yes, they were on sale. I don't remember what they were for. I think it was 2 for $5.
I believe so, yeah.
So regular prices are usually $2.99 each, so it winds up being $2.50 each. And then we also got these little Nutellas. My one child, Alyssa, she loves having toast with Nutella, so we got these. These were actually cheaper, right? They were on sale.
Yep, they were cheaper. The bigger one that is 26.5 ounces was for $9, but if you got 2 of these, they came out to be $6, so it's a $3 difference, and the only loss on there was 0.5 of an ounce,
yeah,
so which makes up for it.
Definitely worth getting this. We also got these water bottles here. I believe we got 3 of these.
3 water bottles, and they were all free.
They were all free, yes. And these are the 3 here. We also got some ham and cheese. They were just regular price. I don't think they were on sale, were they?
I don't believe so.
No, yeah. So we got some ham and cheese for lunch. And then, let me just put this back
The
here.
burritos, the tortillas here, the flour tortillas and all that, I believe one of them were on sale.
Yep. Yes. Both of them were on sale. So we got the burrito version, and then we got the taco size version. And they were on sale. I believe they were like 50 cents off each. And then we got 18 count eggs, just regular eggs. We got these steakums also on sale. I think they were buy one get one off, right?
I think between the 2 of them, they were $6 for 12. Once you buy the 2 of them, buy one get one. And right next to it was a pack of 10 that was also on sale for $9. So $6 for 12 versus $9 for 10.
So we decided this makes a better deal. And this is usually what we have for lunch if it's a quick little, with some toast and whatnot, make a little sandwich. And then we have the ice cream, which was, I believe there were
2 for $5.
2 for $5. Thank you. Thank you, man. I'm forgetting the prices. Okay, so then we have the spaghetti, which was not on sale, I don't think.
They were not on sale, but they were $1 a piece.
And we got these. And then over here, toaster strudel. My oldest requested it. I myself don't eat this. I don't know if it's good or not, but I believe it was on sale.
That was not on sale, but we had a coupon on it from the Acme thing. They gave us, I think it was $1.50 off.
Yes, so that's where we got it. And then I actually like this brand. It's the store brand pizza. It's just plain cheese. They have pepperoni and I think meat topping as well, but I just like eating them plain. And I don't think this was on sale. I don't remember. But I just want to get this because once in a while I enjoy eating this for lunch. And these were on sale as well. They're actually on clearance. We don't know why because they're constantly selling these. So we don't know why they were on clearance, but we like grabbing this and making a quick meal once in a while for dinner.
As opposed to $3.50, they were $2.24.
Thank you. I already said the soup. Oh, we also got these packets here. And we wanted to try this. We've never seen this before. It's bourbon pork tenderloins. I guess you just add it to your tenderloin sheet pan.
Yeah, sprinkle it because if it's one thing, you just sprinkle it on there and it does the seasoning for the meal.
And then we also got one for chicken, which is Farmer's Market chicken and vegetables. Same deal. And then we got 2 of these taco seasoning mixes as well as the chili seasoning mixes.
And one of those were for free because of the Monopoly coupon.
Yes, we got a coupon for one of them for free. And then we got this chewy dips. They were on sale. I don't remember. I think they were 50 cents off. And then we just got some cheese whiz to spread. Sometimes we use them for toast and sometimes we use them for like when we make homemade cheesesteaks, and I just pour these in and make it Philly style. We got this for free. We had a coupon from the Monopoly game, and this wound up being free for us. And then we also got some honey. Was this on sale? Do you remember?
That was not on sale, but the price compared to the other ones that were on sale, that was like 40 cents more of what you pay. But as it turns out, if you did the math, then the ounces that you get actually negate that. So it was cheaper to buy that than it was to get whatever was on sale.
And Harvey likes to have this with his tea in the morning. Oops. And then we got these assorted variety of what are they called?
Like juice gummies,
gummy,
fruit by the front and fruit
yeah.
by the foot.
These gummy, I honestly, we don't eat this. This is for our kids. They requested it, and we had, I think they were on sale.
They were on sale for $2.50 a piece, but if you buy 4, they were then further down to $1.49.
Yeah, $1.49 each. So they wound up being a better discount. I think that's everything.
That's it.
Okay, so that's everything for this video, guys. I hope that this kind of gave you an inkling and inspiration of grocery shopping for the month. Everything here was a savings of $100 versus having to pay full price for everything.
And then we got some more Monopoly things that we have to scan and go because we're either going to get some free or some discounts and other stuff. Not everything on the Monopoly is worth it because it winds up being more for some of the things we get here, but we pick and choose the right ones.
Exactly. So everything here was either discount or free, and whatever wasn't free was a value of high value for us, so we decided to get them. So that is everything for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you like this type of content, definitely subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of when I post future videos. Until next time, guys, I hope you all stay safe. God bless, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.